If you are looking for a great 27-in-1 multi-tool, you're going to want to check this one out. Really like this a lot. Right off the bat, we get this nice little Velcro case that keeps it enclosed. We also have a little snap here, so you could snap this off if you wanted to, and then you could put it around a toolbox or a belt or whatever you want to do, and then it shuts. So when we open this up right here, this is the actual device itself right over here. Comes with these screw bits as well. Love the fact that they're tucked away up here. You could just see all the different screw bits that you're gonna get, and you don't have to worry about like placing this somewhere and then not having it. So I like having a spot right over here. Then this is what it actually looks like right over here. So right off, you have one of the knives right over here. So we have this one right over there. And to close this, you're just gonna push this down right here. Like the fact that it has that nice little lock feature as well. This right over here, you got a nice little, if you want to kind of pin it on a belt buckle or something like that, you could easily do that. We also have on this side right here, a serrated version and like a little saw if you wanted to do that, which I really like the different options. So to do this, we're just gonna fold this down just like that, and then we have our pliers right here. Really nice on the grip over there, which is great. Just really like this a lot. With so many different features in here. You could see here they have stuff in here where you could get that out. They just really thought about everything. I love the idea of just one tool that could basically do everything instead of having to go grab a screwdriver, have to go grab a pair of pliers, all that kind of stuff. They really thought of it all. We also have other compartments in here. Just an absolutely great tool. So if you're looking for a great 27-in-1 tool that is super high quality, has so many different functions, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.